Hey guys, dito ako ngayon kukunin yung aming feed. So update ko kayo mamaya pag labas ni Doc. Actually nag-aabang na siya. So ayun. Para update ko na rin kayo sa ibon natin. Okay. Make me nosebleed.
Don't make it expensive. You want to open that door first? I'll load it for you. Okay.
I'll do it.
Put everything here so it doesn't get wet in the papers. Okay. You want to go back first?
Yeah.
Okay. Back first. We can do that. I don't want to make your car too. Not that one. Not that one. No, oven.
Hey Doc, say.
Not
Please.
that one.
Yeah.
Not that one.
Oh, this one. Okay.
This is your 17, yeah.
Oh.
Purple. It's purple. I'll handle it. It's all purple. Okay. Go. See how many will fit. Otherwise, maybe we start to use the back seat. Careful, careful there. Yeah, careful. I'm gonna put it this
Sa
on the
likod,
seat,
Alvin.
otherwise
Yeah.
it'll drop. So I'm gonna one more for the 17, and then safflower is over here, and I think we want with one barley as well.
Okay.
Make sure Joe didn't take your body. There's some nuts. There it is.
Hindi lang.
This is safflower
Kuha mo
here.
na kami. Kuha naman na kami.
And then I must find and make sure Joe didn't take body from you.
So Joy's coming here.
Who's that?
Joe.
Yeah, he came. We took two already. Milo. Let's stretch. Let's make sure. This is 16. Thinking one of those buggers. Take the, what's underneath here? That's just a grip. Grip. One of those buggers. Keep your body. Yeah. Bugger. Yeah, I didn't expect. Yeah,
I should have one bag there, but
you have one bag still? Okay. Alrighty.
Doc.
Yeah.
I'm doing vlog. What? Do I need the mask?
Come. No.
Pasok ko.
So let me take, just so you know, let me take the body price off, so you know where you are, just so you can keep a record. Yeah, one of those guys picked up your body. I don't know who. It's probably Steve.
Steve.
And then there was 69 from before last time, if you remember
Mhm.
that. Alright, just so you know for the food where
Okay.
you are for that, okay? Just so you know. And we can,
Uh-huh.
we'll sort everything out at the end, but I want to keep everything together.
Yeah.
I think I just want to, you know, if you're going to bring the papers here and everything, then which papers have you got?
Doc, this is Gilbert is my brother-in-law.
Okay.
I got this to him,
Okay.
but
So
we
did
got
he
assigned
sign
me.
it? Okay,
He
good.
signed it to me. I
Yeah.
think we just need
And
you
then-
and me.
Yeah, And
And
then
then this is the last registration, I think.
okay, and then the only thing we probably need to do is make like a bill of sale,
Yeah, that's
and
it.
I can print one on there.
Yeah, we wanna run those now. It's
Yeah.
up to you. You know.
Yeah.
This I gave you the paper.
Well, let's
Uh-huh.
go ahead and do that. Let me give you some money right now, okay?
Okay.
So that I can
I'll
give
just
you
do
a
the
deposit.
change oil and spark plug,
Yeah.
belt. You know,
Okay.
the new belt. What you
Alright.
call that?
That's important.
So they need to be, you know, a little tune up
Yeah.
before I bring it here.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to run it. You know, the oil is like, well, it's still clean, but I want the oil before I bring it here.
Okay. Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So let's just do 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just check this.
Okay.
10 there. We're
Okay.
gonna just do 1,000 for deposit, okay?
Okay.
So so I don't take everything
Yeah.
and you get nothing. So
Okay.
and then if you keep all the receipts, I'll keep them together,
Okay.
and then we can square up what I owe you here, and also we'll square up the pigeon feed when you come.
Okay.
We don't
Yeah.
have to do that now.
Uh-huh.
But at least you
Yeah,
have
let's
some
do
money
that.
to order stuff. But just keep those receipts, and then when it's ready, we'll sort everything else out then.
Yeah, I already got. This is a wood laminate, and I just need a tender lacing, something, you know,
Yeah.
for the transition.
Yeah, just something that it looks okay, and then we can put a mat or something.
Please subscribe Arvin's YouTube. Come on, Doc. Please subscribe my channel, Doc.
Every day you have to go on Marvin's YouTube. If you don't, your day is ruined.
That's good.
There you go. It's good. All right.
All right, Doc.
Nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Good.
you.
Good to see you guys.
You too.
I'll let you come this way. That's
Okay.
the easiest way to go. All right. So good. I will. I'll just wait for you to call me. That's
Okay.
perfect. You just tell me, hey, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Don't forget, Saturday 16 is Joe.
Oh, what time?
12 o'clock. Yeah, I'll send another message out, but it will be 12 o'clock at Joe's place. That'll be
Yeah,
good.
the headlight is on the 14th.
Yeah.
So
After Joe's is fine.
Yeah.
Don't, Let's
Okay.
let's do it. Let's not try to rush. Do it
yeah, do it right.
when it's ready. It's ready.
Uh-huh.
That'll be good.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Doc.
Drive home safely with the rain. Okay.
Thank you,
All
Doc.
right, okay.
Thanks for your time. Okay guys, dito na tayo pero sa bahay Gerson. Okay, ito yung kanyang patukan. Ang bigat. Sorry. Kuha natin yung kanyang kalapati. So ito yung kanyang kalapati. Look visit na rin. So dito po siya nagbe-breed. Yan. Dito niya. Dito para mas kuha. Walang lalabas. Isa oh. Splash, blue bar splash, white flight, mule man, yung red bar na splash. Ito ganda, walang sing-sing. Walang sing-sing. Pa, Oreo line. Tsaka sino yun? Dalawa. Di ba dalawa? Wala eh, mga 21 yata, 22.
Okay na, kaya ano.
Ha?
Tingnan mo yung kaya no dito.
Shoutout ka muna, men. Shoutout ka muna.
Shoutout sa mga kalapatid natin dyan. Dalawa na yung ano eh.
Oo nga eh, si Commander.
Si Commander.
May napisa ngayon sa bahay, ano? 6.
Ito rin, no?
May napisan 2.
Yung napisa ko eh. Ayoko, yung pumatay. Inalis nila sa ano?
Pinatay.
Inalis nila sa ano? Bulungan. Ay sa taas. Rinat nila sa baba. Pinagputukan.
Ganda na, no? Parang black check.
Oreo.
Saan?
Oreo,
Aha.
tsaka anak ni Blue.
Tatay ni Oreo.
Oo. Tsaka anak ni Blue.
Ito ni Blue. Si Blue po yun yung nasa 1 low price ngayon. Di bali, ano to?
Yun yung anak ni Blue.
Apo. Pinsan. Tsaka apo. Tapos yun yung tatay ni Oreo yung original. Hey. Okay guys, update ko kayo sa bahay. Pag-uwi. Okay. So guys, nakauwi na po tayo. So, napagod ako dun sa katuwa ang bigat. So 50 pound each yun. So guys, update ko kayo sa ating Ganus. Ating Commander. Oreo at Nanis. Ito. So guys, ito si Oreo natin, di ba? Kilala nyo naman na yan. Tapos si Ganus, may bago silang itlog. So papakita ko sa inyo yung anak nila. So ating si ano, kinumbine ko yung ating Lumachi Carini at saka yung ating Ludo. Lumachi Carini, Grisel, Jansen. Yan, yung ating Commander. Tanda na siya, kaya nga samantala na. Inalis ko siya dun sa Jansen na Edward. So ito yung sinanes ko. So nirosan ko siya ng Lumachi at Berzena. So yun, Bernesa. So guys, ito yung ano natin, ibon natin. Update ko na kayo para so ito ating ibon. Gusto natin dito para ano. Okay, yan. Ayan. Ay, shoot. So guys, ito yung si Ganus natin, no? Yan siya, yun na siya, no? Tapos yun siya, yung isa Oreo, Ganus Oreo. Yung isa Ganus Oreo. Yan, dito ako ba? Yan na to. Then guys, nandito yung anak ni Nanes na isang pula dati. Ito po siya. Ayan na po siya ngayon, no? Ayan na po siya ngayon. Ayan! Isang katabi nila yung Nanes. Yung mga ano yata yun na last 3 episodes natin yata. Yung Commander natin, yung malaki na. So ito po, galing nilabisit ko si Paring Gerson kanina. So kasama rin sa video na to. Ayun, yung tatay niya yun. Nakamukha niya, yan po si Oreo yung puti. Ayan. Tapos si Oreo, so kapatid po to, brother. Tapos yung si Oreo natin doon, ano ba? Ito yung kapatid naman, yung anak naman ni Oreo na, bali apo na yan. Yan. Bali apo na yan. O yun, bali yan. So So actually yung ibon na yun unang nasa loob ko yun. Tapos napunta na kay parang Jason, siya na nag-handle. So anak din niya yan, or anak ng original din yun, Oreo. So si Gerson po nag-breed yan, isang yan. So ito yung matutunan kong ibon. Ayan. 46 946 Johnson 46 kung tawagin ko. Okay. Yun po guys, na-update ko kasi ibon natin. So ganun lang po. Ulitin natin yung video natin. Lapag natin dito. Sa mga ano natin, mga kaibigan natin. Yan. Please like and share na lang po. Nagustuhan niyo yung video natin. So maraming salamat sa mga na-subscriber natin. Hindi po sa inyo, hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng 200 220 na rin sa wakas. Grade 2 na tayo. So target for grade 3. So ayun po. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Pala guys, bago tayo matapos, shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga kaibigan. Pero punta tayo sa loob kasi malamig. Tara po. Kunin natin yung ating camera. Okay guys, ganda ng ibon natin. Wala, super excited na rin tayo So guys, dito na po tayo sa loob. Medyo excited na tayo sa race natin kasi next month low flying na tayo sa wakas. Lapit na. So may meeting kami sa sa 16 this January around 12. So coverage ko para makita nyo ng pag-usapan namin. So balita ko, pero alam ko na rin, hindi balita. Sabi 500 miles daw kami sa old bird, sa young bird mga 350 miles. So yung yearling na sinasabi, hindi na siya young bird kasi 2020 pa yun, 21 na tayo. So tungkol naman kay Michael, wala siya ngayon. So cover ko muna si Michael, busy sa trabaho. Okay Michael, hakot ka lang ng dollar. So ito, shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga kaibigan, yung mga subscriber natin. Shoutout ko na rin kasi nag-message sila sa atin. So mga subscriber, maraming salamat sa inyo. So ito, shoutout ko na rin yung ating subscriber at mga nagpapasubscribe. So una-unayan natin dito si Justin Lice, Justin Llano, at si Jace TV 22, ECQ Band PH, Juan Virador. So yun pa yung channel niya, Juan Virador, at saka Felix A. Aguilar, Palawan Vlogger, Princess Angel Vlog, Kuya John, Superior TV, so ating kaibigan si Gutlay, Jared Official, Erwin Vlog, Lenlen Vlog, Lilis B Channel, Gregory Johnson, Mary Villar, Kuya Malo, Sherry Vlog TV, Mariel Ann, Benigno, Phoenix RMG, Lilibit Bello, Spencer A Vlog. So yung iba po hindi ko makakani yung pangalan nila So yun pa yung mga subscriber natin, nakita natin. So yung ginawa ko na lang, kinuha ko ng channel nila. So yun po, shoutout sa inyo lahat. So Happy New Year na lang sa inyo. Sana maganda itong 2021 natin. Hindi lang sa akin, sa inyo po lahat. At doon po kala Jeffrey sponsor natin sa Pilipinas. So iniipon ko po yung baggage na para sa inyo. So malapit na yun. So isisip ko yun bago magkatapos. So tinutulungan namin yung box ni Michael. At sa mga nag-sponsor sa atin, marami pa sila. Meron tumulong sa atin. Okay, thank you po.